This is Goldie. She's about 5 years old. Front declawed. You can see she's fluffy. She's good about being brushed. I brush her just for about a minute every day. And then I give her a little treat of canned food. She's a nice, quiet cat. Just wants to be friends with somebody. Perfect home for her would be somebody looking for a cat that doesn't need a lot of attention. As a middle-aged cat, she's real easy to care for. She just likes to nap during the day and look out the window at the birds and have somebody pet her now and then. She's great about using the litter box. She's a real pretty girl. She makes somebody a nice companion. Right, Goldie? Sweetie, she's a good girl.